Rachel here with Vigilante, giving you a sneak peek of this beautiful late model Grand Wagoneer. Sits on top of the Vigilante chassis and some custom wheels with powerful Hellcat engine under the hood. This brand new, out of the crate Hellcat engine sits all tucked nicely, unsuspectingly inside of this Grand Wagoneer, giving you 700 plus horsepower. Notice anything fun from this angle? No more leaf springs. That's right, modern suspension. Remember the Vigilante custom wheels? We enlarged them to 17 inches so that they could house the powerful 6-piston brakes behind them. So what's your flavor of choice? Bright white Wagoneer with a Hellcat or an electric blue Chief with a Hellcat?